Angel investments, industry of investments. Think this is important? Knowing where the money's going, okay? 19% software, 18% health biotech, 16% business product services, 15% consumer, 12% hardware, 12% other, 7% media and entertainment. Who is in the software space that's looking for money? Okay, a couple. Health biotech? A few more. Business product services? Okay, 5, 6. Consumer products and services? Okay, good mix here. Hardware? Not so much. Other? Okay, and media entertainment. Anybody raising money for a movie? We had somebody here raising money for a movie last time. That was a good one. All right, so knowing this is key, right? So returns. Who wants to hear about the returns? Who wants to hear? Now remember, I said you're doing this so you know who you're pitching to, right? So if you come and pitch me a deal, we're going to talk about terms here, and you say, this is the best deal ever, I'm going to give you 8% on your money over 5 years. Okay? And what do I have in return for that? Well, you got my name, you got my word on it. 8% over 5 years. Okay, nice. You need to know what you need, where you need to be in the ballpark to get the money to begin with. Okay? If I'm looking at 10 deals a month, where am I going to gravitate? The highest return. Everything else being equal. We're going to talk about terms in a minute. But return is one of those, correct? All right. So this is from the ACA as of 2008. So 47% of all deals, of the 500 deals they surveyed done, 47% were a loss. I call it a strikeout for you baseball fans. 26%, yeah, you did that last time, Reed. Yeah, baseball fan. 26%, 1 to 4 times return. I call that a single. 15%, 4 to 6 times return, a double. 8%, 6 to 30 times return, triple. 4%, 31 times or more, home run. So I've done 18 deals. I've had 2 home runs. That's it. All right? I've had 4 strikeouts, bankrupt. All right? The other ones were somewhere between a single and a double and triple, and I'm still in 4 of them. The overall average return of 2.6 times over 3.5 years. Okay? So you're going to look at a time horizon here. Most angels are going to want to see 2 to 3 year exit in their investment, but 5, you'll hear 5 a lot. Rule of thumb, 10 investments equals 1 home run. Only 2%, Dave brought this up earlier, only 2% of all reviewed deals get funded. That is exactly the same as VCs. So even though VCs are doing much larger deals at a smaller number, they're doing larger dollar amounts, but they're doing less deals, it's the same ratio, 2%. Okay? So if there was 100 people in this room and you all wanted to get money, how many are going to get money? 2. All right? So who's going to pretty much get the money? How are you going to get the money? Sell your idea. How are you really going to get the money? Advisory board, executive board. Write these 3 words down. Executive board group. Also, Angel Prep Day. All right? I cannot, and it's sad. I've been at these events. 60, 70 angels sitting in a room. These people have been screened. Okay? These people are paying $5,000 to $10,000 a year to be a part of this group. The people that are pitching, they're only taking 24 deals a year. These 2 people get up and pitch. They each have 10 minutes. Within the first 2 minutes, I've seen a group bigger than this, much bigger, start talking, going on their crackberries, drinking wine, leaving the room while the guy's up there pitching or ladies up there pitching. Okay, why do you think that was? They weren't prepared. They didn't know their audience. They probably didn't even, if I asked them these questions, they didn't even know it. Okay, this is truly what we are not trying, what we are doing with our programs. We are getting people's success rate up. All right? It all comes down to you. I can't guarantee anybody that you're going to get in front of a screening panel and knock it out of the park and raise your $3 million. But I'll guarantee you this. You're going to be better prepared than 90% of the people they're going to see. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. That's how you get good at anything. All right. State of the market today. 47.9% of groups seeing less deal activity than anticipated. 47.9. Sounds almost like 50 to me. Dave asked me that earlier. 16% reporting more deals than expected. So there are still some, there's some deals out there. Average total amount that each group invested in 2009, $1.72 million. These are groups. These are angel groups, not individuals. Down from an average of $1.94 that angel groups invested in 2008. Okay, so we're seeing a drop. For you playing along at home, what percentage drop is that? Roughly 10%? 10% drop? Okay, not that bad. The total number of deals per group is estimated at 6.1. That's down 16% from last year. All right? So again, if you're going in to pitch a group or you're pitching an individual, knowing this is valuable, right? If you came to me and you knew your homework about angel groups and you knew your homework about angel investors, and then you could spin that and tell me, well, here's why I need to be one of these, that's powerful stuff, isn't it? Yes, it is. You got to know who you're talking to. Okay? It's important.